OSHA 1926.154, Temporary Heating Devices. 1926.154a, Ventilation. 1926.154a1, fresh air shall be supplied in sufficient quantities to maintain the health and safety of workmen. Where natural means of fresh air supply is inadequate, mechanical ventilation shall be provided. 1926.154a2, when heaters are used in confined spaces, special care shall be taken to provide sufficient ventilation in order to ensure proper combustion, maintain the health and safety of workmen, and limit temperature rise in the area. 1926.154b, Clearance and Mounting. 1926.154b1, temporary heating devices shall be installed to provide clearance to combustible material not less than the amount shown in Table F4. 1926.154b2, temporary heating devices, which are listed for installation with lesser clearances than specified in Table F4, may be installed in accordance with their approval. Circulating type heater needs a minimum of 12 inches of clearance on the side and rear and 18 inches for chimney connector. Radiant type heater needs a minimum of 36 inches of clearance on the side and rear and 18 inches for chimney connector. 1926.154b3, heaters not suitable for use on wood floors shall not be set directly upon them or other combustible materials. When such heaters are used, they shall rest on suitable heat insulating material or at least 1-inch concrete, or equivalent. The insulating material shall extend beyond the heater 2 feet or more in all directions. 1926.154b4, heaters used in the vicinity of combustible tarpaulins, canvas, or similar coverings shall be located at least 10 feet from the coverings. The covering shall be securely fastened to prevent ignition or upsetting of the heater due to wind action on the covering or other material. 1926.154c, Stability. Heaters, when in use, shall be set horizontally level, unless otherwise permitted by the manufacturer's markings. 1926.154d, Solid fuel salamanders. Solid fuel salamanders are prohibited in buildings and on scaffolds. 1926.154e, Oil-fired heaters. 1926.154e1, flammable liquid-fired heaters shall be equipped with a primary safety control to stop the flow of fuel in the event of flame failure. Barometric or gravity oil feed shall not be considered a primary safety control. 1926.154e2, heaters designed for barometric or gravity oil feed shall be used only with the integral tanks. 1926.154e3, Reserved. 1926.154e4, heaters specifically designed and approved for use with separate supply tanks may be directly connected for gravity feed, or an automatic pump, from a supply tank.